Imagine 10 years from now. It's 2030 and we've halved child poverty. We've met our carbon targets and we've accelerated the achievement of Māori aspirations. 2030 is a great year and we've achieved epic outcomes for New Zealanders. So how did our public sector get here? We innovated. And so much of that stemmed from the fact that in 2020, we developed the metrics to manage innovation. Kia ora koutou, I'm Emily from Creative HQ and the Innovation Barometer team. We have spoken to senior leaders from almost every government organisation, and they told us the same thing. Innovation is really hard, but they get it. They know that we have to innovate if we're going to meet our targets. Yet none of them have the metrics to manage their organisation's innovation. And you can't manage what you don't measure. This is what the Innovation Barometer does. We have created an all-of-government tool that measures the innovative ability of public sector organisations. Senior leaders will gain rich data that is otherwise unavailable, highlighting their organisation's strengths and areas for improvement, benchmarked against the public sector average. They can then take practical actions to improve and track progress over time. And this is already happening. We have just completed a pilot with 4 organisations: the Ministry for the Environment, the Energy Efficiency Conservation Authority, Wellington City Council and the Social Wellbeing Agency, collecting over 15,000 data points through an employee perception-based survey. And you can see their results aggregated into our unique and well-researched stocks of innovation. They are collaboration, leadership, people empowerment, rules and systems, and innovative outputs. So organisations who participate will see their results benchmarked against the public sector average. They can click into any of those stocks for more insights. Looking at people empowerment, you can see that this organisation, this example organisation, has such a strong attitude to innovate, but needs to focus on supporting employees with the skills. And they can get that insight about the specific skills that employees want to develop and use. But that's not all. The real beauty of an all-of-government tool is that we can find those nuggets of innovation and we can share what's working well as case studies. There will be a team in our government who is performing at the top of their game and pushing the boundaries. For example, we learned about the process that led to the urban water principles at MFE. It's actions like this that is going to help us get to our carbon targets. And it's the Innovation Barometer that's going to help us find what works and share it across government. The upside of unlocking this collective knowledge is exponential. Our new Public Services Act calls for a more flexible and collaborative government. And 2020 has shown us that we can work across boundaries in a rapidly changing environment. Now we have the tool that spotlights success. And we're so excited that it's supported by Paul James, the CEO of the Department of Internal Affairs, and Mark Snowden, the CE of Stats New Zealand. It's supported by our stewards of innovation and data. 16 organisations who share our vision of a unified public service are keen to participate in 2021, including the DIA, the Ministry of Health, and the Department of Corrections. We have a plan to roll out the barometer year on year so that organisations can track their progress over time. We'll build case studies to encourage the reuse of good ideas and develop a nationally available barometer so that everybody can access our net public sector innovation. Everything that's been achieved so far is because of this team. And everybody's here tonight and they're so excited to hear how much you want to participate in 2021 as well. Over the next 4 years, our government will have to respond to COVID recovery, economic recovery, and overall resiliency. And we've heard from our minister that we need better evaluation to show what works. With the pilot